welcome to a new video. Welcome and welcome back if you are a OG. If you're new, please hit that subscribe button. But as you can see by the title, this is all about how I spent my tax rebate. So if you watched my last video, I invested £3,500 into my trading 212 account. And then in this video I was going to show you what I bought, but just a quick update on my portfolio. As you can see here, currently sat at 7,200. I've invested 7,300. Currently down £78. So how did I spend my money? So let's go have a look. Don't forget you can get some free shares. The link is in the description box just below. So make sure you go fill that out. Go click on that link and then get signed up to Trading 212 to get some free shares. So all these here is basically for this here. That will be on my next video. That's currently to do with my 0 to 100,000 pounds portfolio challenge. So make sure you go check out that challenge. That is something completely different. There's also another challenge. So every week I deposit £30 into my account. £5 of that goes into Main Street Capital. So I'm also doing a challenge of investing £1 a day for a year to see what happens with that. And I've basically chose Main Street Capital to invest into that challenge. That will be a separate video coming out soon. I've just started that challenge. I think this is week 2 of the challenge, so I'll let that run for a couple of weeks before I create a video. Reality income's pretty low at the moment, so I'm currently buying that and building that portfolio as high as possible. And then some nice dividends here just rolling in, as you can see here, which again will be in my update video, so make sure you go check them out. So here is the big buys. So yeah, if you watch my last video, I invested £3,500 into my account. So I'd done this first, and then thought I would make a video on buying or how I would invest these. So this is pretty much what I've done. I'm limited to how much I can invest into my portfolio. So pretty much I was doing like £1,000 a day, so I could invest all my money in. So as you can see there, 5, 6, 7. I put all my money in. Then I was gonna record the video, but obviously I put my £1,000 in first, and then that went straight onto the FTSE All World High Dividend. That bought me 21 shares of that. So that is a pretty nice one at the moment. Don't exactly know how much they're paying out per a share, but if I can quickly have a look, we can. So I'm just logging on into the dividend tracker app, because that shows me on there, I think, on how much they pay me out. So yeah, with this, that pays me 41 pence. So I will get paid £19 every quarter from this. So I invested £1,000, £21 basically every 3 months, or £19, sorry. So I'll probably get around £60 at the end of the year from just those dividends. So that's what I invested into that. I think with the FTSE All Round dividends, I currently hold 46 shares. So yeah, I'm slowly trying to build that up to 100 shares, and then just let the dividends basically start rolling in and building on that. Like I said, every 3 months, currently earning like £20. So that will just keep topping this up, and then slowly get to 100 shares on that. So with this £2,500, I was in a mindset of putting it all into like one ETF, so something like the FTSE All World or the S&P 500, just something safe. But I thought I would do basically half and half. That's why I put like £1,000 into this, because it's basically a pretty solid ETF. And then the rest of it I played around with. So why is that in partially filled? I don't know. But pretty much I put £1,000 into Reality Income. So as you can see there, what did I get? I got about 20 shares. So I bought 20 shares of Reality Income. So that's not too bad. I currently own 29 shares of Reality Income altogether, and that currently pays me out £5 a month. So a nice monthly dividend from these, £5 a month. Like I said, that will keep getting reinvested into this, and it'll keep ticking over. That's when I want to keep building, so that monthly dividend just keeps on coming in. And then Microsoft, I bought Microsoft. They were pretty low at the time I bought this. A pretty solid investment as well, I think. So I put £1,000 into Microsoft. They also pay out a lovely dividends of 55 pence a share. I currently got just under 3 shares of Microsoft. I get paid like £1 in dividends on that, but that's something I want to start growing as well. So that's why I put £500 into Microsoft there, just so that I can start building over time. As you see there, I put the other £1,000 into the FTSE All World High Dividend again. So I put £2,000 into an ETF, and then basically £1,000 Reality Income, and then Microsoft. So a majority of my funds went into an ETF, and then the rest I separated between, I'd say, 2 solid individual stocks as well with that. So that's how I spent my tax rebate. Hope you like this video. Please hit that thumbs up button, and then please leave a comment and hit that subscribe button.